21st century spies have some serious tech at their disposal. But back in the 1970s, things were a little more DIY. Welcome to the Museum of Artifacts that made America, and the story of a spy device disguised as chapstick tubes that played a part in America's most infamous burglary. To be honest, humans have been spying on each other for millennia. As far back as the 5th century BC, Chinese military strategist Sun Tzu wrote about spying in his book, The Art of War. And in the 1970s, capitalist America and communist Russia spied on each other relentlessly during what was known as the Cold War. Spying infiltrated American politics too. Even Republican President Richard Nixon was up to no good. Determined to get elected for a second term, in 1972, he assembled a crew of secret agents to illegally break into the Watergate Hotel and dig up dirt on his rivals, the Democrats. While they were planting bugs in the office of the Democratic National Committee inside the hotel, across the street, another agent kept watch. They communicated using two-way radios disguised as chapsticks to make it look like they were simply applying lip balm, not talking amongst themselves. Nothing suspicious about that, right? But even with the ingenious chapstick radios, the agent keeping watch got distracted by a movie and failed to notice the arrival of police. They caught the burglars red-handed. The FBI later discovered the chapstick radios locked away in a safe at the White House and used them as evidence in the Watergate trial, a scandal that rocked America to its core and cut President Nixon's career short. So what do you think? For its part in the biggest political scandal of the 20th century, does the chapstick spy device deserve its place in the Museum of Artifacts that made America? How has technology changed the spy game since then?